guys, what is up? Today we're going to be taking my 1998 Mustang GT down the only curvy road I can find near my house, and we're going to push it to its limits. My car is on a set of some kind of wheels. They're about 11 inches wide in the back and maybe a 9-inch wide, 9.5 inch in the front. Decent-ish tires, and we're lowered on some cheap coilovers, so it doesn't handle insane, but it handles pretty good. Eventually this car is going to get built into an autocross kind of track car, which will be a series here coming soon, but this is kind of just baseline, so let's go see what we can do on the street. Maybe missed my shift. Another one, jeez, look. brake upgrade because I could smell my brakes, and I wasn't even pushing the car. I mean, I was pushing it pretty hard, but if I was on a track or an autocross day, my brakes would be smoked right now. Also, I think I'm a little low on power steering fluid because now that she's getting kind of hot, she's starting to whine a little bit. But we're gonna go back for round 2 on the way back and call it good, because you know, this is kind of a neighborhood, so I'm sure somebody's gonna call the police after a while. But I'm definitely pushing what this car can do right now. I'm losing some grip around some of these corners, but this is fun. This is a fun car. Almost being bone stock, this is a lot of fun. Oh, there's a little slip. This way because I get blinded. Somebody. Switchback right here. I like this spot. Except for when I'm blind. There she is. Well, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me really test this car almost stock, and hopefully here soon we'll have some good mods that we can add on so that we can compare it to this stock form. The plan is better coilover kit, sway bars, panhard bar, some aero stuff, some better tires, and we're gonna take this thing, we're gonna do autocross, we're gonna do track days, and I've got some other stuff stored as well. So if you guys want to keep seeing this Mustang and you want to see other cars on the channel, please subscribe, please like, please comment, support me. I'm really out here just trying to do my best. I appreciate it. Thank you.